Today we are going to continue our last session regarding the data on demand module in Infinity. Just a quick recap. Last time we talked about the one-step transformation in which we are going to convert from WGS84 coordinate site directly to the local site without any information about the local ellipsoid and the local projection. We need now to see how to implement this in Infinity. First, I'm going to create a new project in Infinity, and inside this project I'm going to import some Linux files which was collected in the site, so it is WGS84 coordinates. And after that we will import also some data in text format which represents the local site. So this is our Linux files. I'm going to select all of them and import. You can see now all the 4 points are imported, and if I go to the view I cannot see anything. We mentioned last time what is the reason for that. As we mentioned, as there is no coordinate system attached to that project, nothing will appear in the display. So I'm going now to create a new project. I'll call it convert one step, or make it convert local, and this one is an empty project. And inside this project I'm going to import my text file which has the local coordinates. So I'm going to explain to you now how to import text file inside Infinity. So I'm clicking into import. For the raw data type I'm going to select ASCII. Going to my data location, and I'm going to select local grid in KTM. Actually here I have to create my template which I'm going to use during the import. So I'm making a new, and this template I can give it a name, ENH1, as I have already ENH. Actually I'm mentioning it is a column separator here, it is comma, it is local grid, it has ellipsoidal height. Actually I clicked on treat consecutive separators, so actually you can see now it is more clear. So first column contains point ID, second one easting, northing, and fourth one is ellipsoidal height. This one, if I'm going to select here orthometric height, this one I cannot select here ellipsoidal height, it must match. So actually it is very important to know exactly what I'm selecting. Now when I'm pressing OK, this template will be saved. Now I can press import, so data will be imported into my project. And if I go to the view, I can see my 4 points. Now I want to match these 4 points. Actually in Infinity you can use one project which contains the local points and WGS84 points, or you can use 2 projects like in LGO. So I'm going now to File, Tools, coordinate system, manager, and select determine transformation. I'll make it demo one step. Its type, it is not classical 3D, it is one step transformation. Height mode here is mentioned as ellipsoid. It is very important. This one should match the other one. Let me show you something. If I'm selecting orthometric and say next, now my project, it is called convert, so I can find it, convert WGS84. I can see the points in WGS84 coordinates, and it is latitude and longitude and height, ellipsoidal height. Inside this project there is no local site, so nothing appeared. But if I'm going here and select, I want to use convert local, I can get my points. But actually I got no height. What is the explanation for that? Orthometric height? There is no orthometric height. If I'm returning back one step and mention this one is not orthometric, actually my project contains ellipsoidal height, and go a step further again, and check easting, northing, orthometric height, I have ellipsoidal height. Okay, if I want match, I can make auto match, so I click on this icon. So points are now matched. As you can see, I have the ability here to say this point I want to use in position, or in height, or in both. And as you can see, it is very small residuals, as these points I just created from the other points. So I'll just think next. Showing me the parameters: delta x, delta y, rotation, scale factor, and this is the required parameters. I can highlight this one and I can create a coordinate system. It is called demo one step, and I can actually show transformation calculation report as well and press finish. As you can see, I can see the report now. This is the common points, point 1, A, B, C, D. The 4 points I have from system A and system B, and this is the residuals. Actually, I can save this report. Now if I'm going back to my project, let me open the other one, the WGS84 one. If I'm going to the view, I still cannot see anything. So how to attach this coordinate system to the project? I'm going back again to Tools, to the coordinate system, and I can select this coordinate system which was created, demo one step, and I can say copy to the project, which means it will be copied to the open project. Let me go back again to home, and let me go there and say demo one step. Now I can see all my points, and you can see now there is a coordinate system attached to all of them, which is a public coordinate system. Thank you for watching.